Hey guys, it's me Kimberly. Today we're doing Althea's house and she lives in Ajax. Because this client lives in the GTA, they qualify for the free design program. Our design program works like this, guys. We send a qualified designer out to your home to measure one room at a time. We do all the elevations and the floor plan so that we have perfect, accurate measurements. A week later, you come back to the showroom. We walk the showroom, we test all the furniture, we see what you love, and see what your aesthetics are. And that's why we give you the What Do You Love questionnaire. It's a design personality test that just sort of takes you through a whole bunch of furniture and room layouts. Maybe you love everything on that page, maybe you like nothing, but this is a good way for us to understand who you are and for you to understand what you really love, like, want to be surrounded with. It's not the be-all and the end-all. Clearly, when you get back to the showroom, you may change your mind. You may see something on Instagram that's going to motivate you and inspire you, and that's cool. But this complete personality test usually does the trick for me. In 98%, I know who you are, and that's what I want. I want to make you happy. Floor plans drawn are everything. They give me and the client the exact positioning of the furniture. Sometimes we can't fit the mold because of certain requirements needed. For example, in this case, Althea wanted a credenza. If we had a credenza, we could not do a big dining table centered to the light box. It just wasn't going to work. So we had to make some concessions. Do we center our dining table to the light box and make a smaller table? Or do we eliminate the credenza? So we decided we needed the credenza, she needed storage, and we did a huge 108-inch table with 48-inch wide, lined up the chairs on both sides so we could still walk around, but now the light, as you can see, at this point is not centered to the table. Maybe down the road if they do rentals, they can move that, but for right now, this is how it's going to stay. If you look at the floor plan, you'll notice that the window on the adjacent wall to the credenza is smaller. What we did is we layered 2 panels on both sides, so 4 panels in total. Each panel is 50 inches wide by 96 long, and what we did was we mounted at least a foot past the casing of the window. What that does, obviously, is make your eye go horizontal, makes the room look wider. You can't put a lot of artwork on either side, but it absolutely makes your window space fantastic. For the rug, we used a polypropylene rug that had blues and grays, all really beautiful shades of gray, actually, and blue. And then we did the curtains to match within a graphite, a Thai silk. So it has silk, 20% silk content, so you do get that sheen. They are made in India. They're absolutely fantastic. They're weighted and lined. Love it. Because they bought all the furniture from us, they qualify for the in-home accessory program, which is where a team of designers and installers, including myself, come to your home with a truck full of beautifully curated accessories, lamps, art, pillows, throws, you name it, we bring it, and your room goes from 0 to 100 in no time. On the boat, on the dining table, we did pinks and purple flowers for some life. In the living room, which you can't see right now, but in the living room we have the exact same color story going on. It's a little bit of pink, a little bit of purple, a little bit of greenery. For art, we just did white on white because we didn't want to bring any more pink into the story. And then on the buffet, in front of the mirror, we did a beautiful big lamp, super neutral, some candle holders, some object, a big shell. I just love it. It's clean and it's neutral, and we can move everything around if we get tired of it. It's really my jam. The chandelier is from us, and of course it has steel integrated in, so steel canopy, which is the part that houses all the mechanism on the ceiling. Most are steel. You will find golds and champagnes on the market, but not as much. A lot of clear cut crystal, sort of done like a rectangle. It's beautiful. It's still contemporary, but it gives it that elevated formal look. Best part, Sunbrella fabric on her chairs, interior and exterior, which means it gives you another layer of protection. This fabric can be easily cleaned with soap and water or bleached if need be. If you have very messy relatives, as I do, I sincerely suggest it. I'm Kimberly Capone, and I truly believe you should live in rooms you love. Visit our showroom and sign up for your free design consultation, and together we'll create the perfect space.